Affiliate marketing in 2025 is not the same as last year. The people still doing it the old way are being left behind. The difference between now is simple. If you are not using AI to create content and drive traffic, you're invisible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI and YouTube to build affiliate sales step by step. The first thing you need is a product. You can choose a low ticket product or a high ticket product. For me, I like to choose a high ticket product because this one pays higher commissions. As you can see on the screen, this is my affiliate dashboard. And if I scroll down, this is the product that I promote. Right now, I'm promoting an AI course. This AI course has 4 phases. Phase number 1, beginner intro to AI. Phase number 2, create the perfect AI clone. Phase number 3, AI content creation. And phase number 4, AI video creation. This course teaches how to use AI for complete beginners. Once you have your affiliate link, which is going to track all your sales, you need to send traffic to that link. And the way I use to drive traffic is YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, and if I click on any of my YouTube videos, for example, you're going to see that this link that is in the description, this is my affiliate link, and if someone buys through that link, I'm going to get a commission. I'm using AI to create these cool thumbnails, and as you can see in the screen, for example, you can see all of these like ugly thumbnails. So I created those on Canva. But now with Gemini, I can basically put a phrase and it's helping me to create these cool thumbnails. You can use AI as well to create the YouTube script. For example, you can put a title like how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2025, and basically ChatGPT is going to give you all the script, and then you can tailor it to your own story. Always remember, traffic follows value. If your video solves a problem, people will click your link. And every video with a simple call to action. For example, if you want to learn AI, click the link of the description of this video. Don't overcomplicate it. So that's how affiliate marketers can use AI in 2025. Pick a product, set up your link, use AI to create videos, and send traffic through YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.